Ang challenge natin ngayon ay all answers starts with letter J, okay? Okay! Para na 200 pesos. Makinig! Para hindi na ulitin yung tanong, makinig. An outer garment extending either to the waist or the hips, typically having sleeves and a fastening down the front. 5, 4, garment? Mali.
Joyride.
Joyride? Joints, garment nga eh, garment. 5, 4, 3,
Jacket.
ha? Jacket. 200.
Garment.
Next. Makinig, madali lang to. The liquid obtained from or present in fruit or vegetable. 5. Jam. Liquid nga eh, 5.
Liquid din!
4. Juice. Tama, juice. 200. Next. Makinig. The largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter. 200.
Dali naman, oh!
Next. Makinig, Louie, napakadali nito. A popular, privately owned form of public transportation in the Philippines, originally built from surplus U.S. military. Okay, go. U.S. military. Go. Ulitin ko. A popular, privately owned form of public transportation in the Philippines. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Di alam. Jeep or jeepney. Tama. 200. Bogs, makinig. An activity that involves jumping over a rope that is swung over and under a person's feet, which can be done individually or with a group. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Jumping rope.
Ha?
Jumping rope.
Tama, 200.
Yan, tropa ko yan.
Next. Kaya mo to, madali to. A type of casual pants. Typically made from durable denim fabric. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. Next. 5, 4, jeans. Tama. 200. Next. Ay ka, makinig. The largest tree-borne fruit in the world, native to parts of India and Southeast Asia. Fruit. 5, 4, hindi alam. 5, hindi alam. Ikaw.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit, tama. 200. Next. Divina, makinig. A person who is fond of joking. Joker. Okay, 200. Okay. Next.
Dali naman!
Small bean-shaped candies with a hard sugar shell and a soft gelatinous center. Small bean-shaped candies with a hard sugar shell and a soft gelatinous center. 5, 4, 3, alam niyo dyan, no? 2, 1, 0. Bin yan, bin. Hindi alam. Next. Jackstone ulit. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, ha? Hindi. Jolin. Jackstone tas Jolin.
Anayo.
Makinig. Small bean-shaped candies with a hard sugar shell and a soft gelatinous center. 5, 4,
Gelatin!
3, letter G yun. 3.
Jelly Ace!
Mali.
Jelly ba? Jelly!
5, 4.
Jungle Pins.
Mali. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano na? Jelly.
Ace!
Jelly Ace. Mali.
Jelly juice.
Mali, jelly juice. 5, 4, 3, Ha? Jelly beans, tama. Jelly beans. 200. Jelly beans.
Kaya nga, Vince eh.
Next. Makinig, Louie. A soft-bodied, gelatinous, and vertebrate with a bell-shaped body and trailing tentacles that sting. 5, 4, ala? Jellyfish, tama. Okay. 200.
Sayang yun.
A modern Japanese martial art and combat sport. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Di alam. Letter J nga eh. Mali. Ikaw, next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Di alam. Judo. Next.
Judo.
The largest cat species in the Americas and the third largest in the world. 5, 4, Jaguar. Next. Pilipina, makinig. An East Asian island nation located in the Pacific Ocean. Known for its unique culture, advanced technology, and beautiful mountainous terrain. 5, 4, pass. Ikaw, Chris. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Japan.
Tama, 200. Next. A large cash prize in a game or lottery. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Jackpot.
jackpot. Okay. Tumataya ka ng loto, no? Ay, hindi.
Hindi po.
Makinig. Diyan. Personal ornaments such as necklace, rings,
Okay.
or bracelet.
Jewelry.
Jewelry. Hindi jewelry.
Oo, turista rin yun.
Pero tama, jewelry.
diba?
Jewelry, hindi jewelry. A feeling of great pleasure and happiness.
Okay.
5,
Wala.
4,
Joy.
Joy, tama, Joy. April Joy. A dense, often tropical forest with thick vegetation. Jungle. Okay, 200. Next. A type of personal watercraft that is propelled by an inboard motor and a water jet pump. Jet ski. 200. Next. Kaya mo to, Ash. Running at slow or leisurely pace. Typically less than 6 miles per hour as a form of exercise to improve physical fitness and health. Jogging. Tama. 200. Okay.
Kung ako sa akin, baka na lang ako.
A popular science fiction media franchise that began with a novel by Michael Crichton and include numerous films, book, and a theme park. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alam daw ni Chris. Jollibee. Mali. Di alam. Next. Mangula kayo. 5, 4, Joy, mali.
Ako rin dyan.
Next. Ay, ikaw na.
Sasagot yan.
Pass down.
Ayaw sumagot?
Pass.
Itanong.
Hindi pa ikaw. Pass. Next. A popular science fiction media franchise that began with a novel by Michael Crichton and includes numerous films, books, and a theme park. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, Mali. Joshua, ang tatulong Palawan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jose Rizal Park.
Johnny Park. Joseph Park.
Makinig! A popular science fiction media franchise that began with a novel by Michael Crichton and includes numerous films, books, and a theme park. Jungwon.
Jackie Chan.
Sino last?
Mali.
5,
Mali yun.
4,
John Park.
John Park. Hindi.
Jungkook.
Ikaw.
Ay, yung
5,
ano niya,
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1, 0. Sagot.
Jurassic Park.
Ha?
Jurassic
Ang ingay mo eh. Narinig ko rin yan. May dinosaur daw. Tama. 200. Next,
Dinosaur
next.
pala.
Nala, makinig. A brand name hot tub. Hot tub ba? With powerful jets for hydrotherapy. But the term is also generically to mean any jetted bathtub or hot tub. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi, tama, jacuzzi. 200. Next. The capital and largest city of Indonesia. 5, 4, 3, Jakarta. 200 pesos. Sunod. Next. Last na, wala na akong tanong. Napakadali nito. Imposible hindi masagot ni Micah. The first month of the year. 5, 4, January, tama. Bye-bye.
June.
Bye-bye. June daw.